ओ नमो नमः. May life be mantramayam. Article number 5, Gayatri Mantra by S. L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Friday, September 11, 2020. In May Life Be Mantramayam number 4, Suryopasana, it was mentioned that the mantra which is most well known as Gayatri Mantra should rather be called as Savitru Gayatri Mantra. It was also mentioned that there are many Gayatri Mantra. The most well-known Gayatri Mantra is of course Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Om Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. There is another Sri Ganesha Gayatri Mantra in Sri Ganapatyathharvashirsham. एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्. Like that, there are Gayatri Mantra for many deities. The Sri Ganesha Gayatri Mantra conforms to the basic structure of Gayatri Mantra. Actually, Gayatri is the name of a prosodic meter which has totally 24 letters, 3 parts of 8 letters each. Since Savitru Gayatri Mantra is well known, it would be good to study that. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Om Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodaya. Note the initial part Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha taken from Yajurveda. There are 3 words called as Vyarhutaya, where Vyarhutihi means an extract. The other 3 parts, actually a Ruk number 3-62-10, meaning in Rigveda, meaning the 3rd Mandalam, 62nd Suktam, and their Ruk 10th. This Ruk conforms to the Gayatri Chanda because then there are 3 parts, each part containing 8 letters. Padachhedahi Om Bhuh Bhuvah Swaha Tat Savituhu or Tat Savituhu Varenyam Bhargaha Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyaha Yaha Naha Prachodaya. Anvayartha. There can be different options for understanding the Anvaya and correspondingly the Artha. Om is an invocation, and much can be said about that, which I am not detailing here. Yaha Bhuhu Bhuvaha Swaha. Yaha Yas Sarvanama Atra Pullingi Tasya Prathama Vibhaktihi Ekvachanancha. Bhuhu. Bhu, quip, the earth. Opposite to Antariksha or Swarga. Earth as one of the 9 substances. Bhuhu also means the universe, the globe, or a place, site, region. And the first of the 3 Vyarhutis or mystic syllables, Bhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha. The first one representing the earth. Bhuvaha, a Vedic term meaning fire, meaning also the earth, Bhuoloka, meaning also the air, the atmosphere, Bhuvas. Swaha, Suvaritiva etas tisro Vyarhutayaha. This is from Taittiriya Upanishad 1-5-1. Nadhyah prachodayat. Naha Asmat Uttama Purushayam Sarvanama अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम। धियः धी स्त्रीलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम। धीः ध्यै भावे क्विप संप्रसारणञ्च इंटेलेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। धियः समग्रैः सर्वगुणैरुदारधीः इन रघुवंश। कुधी सुधी एटसेट्रा। माइंड धी माइंड। दुष्टधी विकेड माइंडेड। सितधी किम प्रभाषेत, दिस इज इन भगवद गीता। Another meaning is idea, imagination, fancy, conception. A thought, intention, purpose, propensity, devotion, prayer. प्रचोदयात् प्र प्लस चद दशमगणीयः उभयपदी. See 10.0081. This is in Dhatu Patha, number in Dhatu Patha in Dashamganiyah. Chud, to inspire, to question, to ask, to request. Chidan sanchodane, churadihi ubhayapadi sakarmakah set. तस्य लोट लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। चोदयतु चोदयेतात्। आशीर्लिंग प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं चोद्यात्। बट प्रचोदयात् इति आर्षरूपम, because it is not fitting with any of these three forms which I have given. Chodayatu, chodayatat, chodyat. What we have here is chodayatat, chodayat. So it is an arsharupam. Arsharupam means composed and as used by Rushi. तत्सवितु तत्सवितृ इति सामासिकं नाम। तस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति ही एकवचनञ्च। सः सविता इति तत्सवितृ क्रमधारय। Alternatively, tat means that and savitu is savitru visheshanam, atra pullingam षष्ठी एकवचनम। देवस्य देव इति पुल्लिंगी नाम। तस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति ही एकवचनञ्च। वरेण्यं भर्गः वरेण्यं वृ इति धातुः, तस्मात् अनीयर् प्रत्ययेन वरणीय इति विशेषणं। वरेण्यम् इति प्रायः आर्षरूपम्। अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गी तस्य प्रथमा विभक्तिः एकवचनञ्च। वृ प्रथमगणीयः पंचमगणीयः नवमगणीयः च उभयपदी। वरति वरते, वृणोति वृणुते, वृणाति वृणीते। वृत्तः पैसिव व्रियते, to choose, select as a boon, to choose for oneself. वृणते हि विमृश्य कारिणं गुणलुब्धा स्वयमेव संपदः। दिस इज सुभाषितम इन किरातार्जुनीय। वरेण्य वृ एण्य उणादि 3-98। To be wished for, desirable, eligible, best, most excellent, preeminent, most worthy or distinguished, chief. Bhargah, bhargas, radiance, luster. नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम। धीमहि धी चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी धीयते। टू होल्ड, कंटेन, टू accomplish, टू फुलफिल। प्रायः धी धातोः विधिलिंग लकारे उत्तमपुरुषे बहुवचने धिये धीयेमहि धीमहि इति आर्षरूप। अन्वयार्थ overall meaning as per the syntax. Om in all serenity, यह भुवः भूः भुवः स्वः, who is and pervades this earth, the environment above it and the heavens, or यह भूः भुवः स्वः, who is consummation of all the three mystic syllables. Vayam dhīmahi, let us meditate or pray that तत्सवितुः देवस्य, of that god son, Varenyam Bhargaha, his most benevolent radiance, luster, Nahadhiyaha, our intellects, Prachodayat, may motivate, may enlighten us to be ever vigorous and energetic. Note, when exploring the words Bhuhu Bhuva Swaha, I came across the mention Etatisro Vyartaya from Taittiriya Upanishad. But further on, according to some, they are 7 in number. The Vyarutaya, they are 7 in number, as Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha, and Satyam. This brings to mind a possibility that the 7 Vyarutis may actually be referring to 7 levels of atmosphere above the earth. In modern sciences, different names as troposphere, stratosphere, etc. are given to layers of atmosphere above the earth. And interestingly, these are also 7 in number. So maybe the Rishis also knew about the 7 levels. Now let us study Sri Ganesha Gayatri Mantra as obtaining in Sri Ganapatya Tharvashesham. Ekadantai vidmahe vakratundaya dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat. Padachade. Ekadantai vidmahe vakratundaya dhimahi tat naha danti prachodayat. Anvayartha. Ekadantai vidmahe. Ekadantai. Ekadanta iti pratipadikam. Visheshanam. Atra pullingam chaturthi ekvachanam. Ekaha eva dantaha yasya saha ekadantaha. One who has only one tooth. Bahuvri. Vidmahe. Vid is द्वितीय गणीय परस्मैपदी, चतुर्थ गणीय आत्मनेपदी, षष्ठम गणीय उभयपदी, सप्तम गणीय आत्मनेपदी. The closest tigantam is Vindmahe in Saptam Ganiya Atmanepadi. See, Saptam Ganiya Atmanepadi, 07.0013, with, to think, to meditate, to analyze, to reason upon. Vidang Vicharane Rudhadihi Atmanepadi Sakarmakaha Anit. Vindmahe is Lat Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam. वक्रतुंडाय धीमहि. वक्रतुंडाय. वक्रतुंड प्रातिपदिकम. विशेषणम. अत्र पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम. वक्रम तुंडम यस्य सः वक्रतुंडः. बहुव्रीहि. वक्रम बेंट, कर्व्ड. तुंडम, तुंड अच, माउथ, फेस, बीक, स्नाउट, which grabs the food. धीमहि. धी चतुर्थगणीय आत्मनेपदी. I am copy pasting it from what we studied earlier, धीमहि, so that we can refer it directly here and there instead of scrolling above and to hold, contain, to accomplish, fulfill. प्रायः धी धातोः विधिलिंग लकारे उत्तम पुरुषे बहुवचने धीयेमहि. धीमहि इति आर्षरूप. ततः नः दन्ति प्रचोदयात्. तत् तत् तथा नहीं, तत् by that. नः अस्मत् सर्वनाम त्रिषु लिंगेषु समानम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. दन्ति, दन्तिन् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. प्रचोदयात्. As discussed earlier, प्र plus चुद दशम गणीय उभयपदी. 10.0081 चुद, to inspire, to question, to ask, to request. चुदं संचोदने चुरादि उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. लोट प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनं चोदयतु, चोदयतात्. आशीर्लिंग प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनं चोद्यात्. प्रचोदयात् इति आर्षरूपम्. The overall meaning, Ekadantai vidmahi. Let us meditate upon, pray unto the one who has only one tooth. Vakratundaya dhimahi. May we imbibe in our intellect dhimahi, the one who has curved snout. Tat nahadanti prachodayat. By that, the one with prominent tooth may inspire us. This Sri Ganesha Gayatri Mantra has some interesting features. There are three adjectives, Ekadantaha, Vakratundaha and Danti, which are so special of the deity Sri Ganesha that they sound to be proper nouns of the deity. There are three verbs, Vidmahe, Dhimahi and Prachodaya. They all have Arsharupam, a form traceable only in Vedic literature. Maybe being Arsharupam lends them the sanctity of the Vedas. There are Gayatri Mantra for many deities. Almost all of them seem to be adopting these features. Features of the verbs Vidmahe, Dhimahi, Prachodayat. And then three adjectives which sound to be nouns. So there are Gayatri Mantra for many deities. Almost all of them seem to be adopting these features. Some Gayatri Mantras at this particular link are Ganesha Gayatri, what we are studying. Ekadantaye vidmahe vakratundaye dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat. Or Mahakarnaye vidmahe vakratundaye dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat. Or Gajananaye vidmahe vakratundaye dhimahi tanno danti prachodayat. So three different Ganesha Gayatris. Brahma Gayatri. Om Vedatmane vidmahe हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्. ओम चतुर्मुखाय विद्महे कमंडलुधाराय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्. ओम परमेश्वराय विद्महे परतत्वाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्. So three different Gayatris on Brahma. Shiva Gayatri. ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्. विष्णु गायत्री. ओम त्रैलोक्य मोहनाय विद्महे कामदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्. नारायण गायत्री. ओम नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्. कृष्ण गायत्री. ओम देवकी नंदनाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्. See, because of Krishna, it does not become Tanno, it becomes Tannah. Krishna prachodaya. Surya Gayatri. Om Adityaya vidmahe Martandaya dhimahi tanna Surya prachodaya. Devi Gayatri. Mahadevyai vidmahe Durgayai dhimahi tanno Devi prachodayat. Annapurna Gayatri. Om Bhagavatyai cha vidmahe Maheshwaryai cha dhimahi tanno Purna prachodayat. Hanuman Gayatri. ओम आंजनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमान प्रचोदयात्. ओम वायुपुत्राय विद्महे रामदूताय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमान प्रचोदयात्. Even there is Sai Gayatri. ओम शरणीवासाय विद्महे सच्चिदानंदाय धीमहि तन्नो साई प्रचोदयात्. This Sri Ganesh Gayatri, which is a part of Ganapatya Atharva Shirsham, wherein there is mention of the name of the meter, is as Nichrut Gayatri Chanda. The word Nichrut suggests it to be a sub-variety of the Gayatri Chanda. It may be also noted that for the deity to whom the prayer is offered by the verbs Vidmahe and Dhimahi, the case used is the fourth case, Sampradana Karaka Vibhakti Chaturthi Vibhakti. Basic understanding of the use of this vibhakti seems to be that the prayer is offered. It is for the deity to accept the prayer and the resultant shall be the deity's choice. The Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat is of course the most famous. It is hence known as Gayatri Mahamantra. It can also be noted that its deity is God's Son. Any person of any faith should be able to derive strength and inspiration from this Gayatri Mahamantra, because the deity's son ought to be respectable regardless of faith and hence for all. Motivation or enlightenment obtained from the deity's son can never be untoward or unwarranted motivation. It will be the most appropriate and the most energetic motivation. This prayer seeks only such energetic motivation. The verbs vidmahe, dhimahi have forms of uttama purusha, bahuvachana, whereby the inherent subject word kartrupadam is vayam. Vayam vidmahe, vayam dhimahi. This pronoun vayam is very inviting, all encompassing, has inclusiveness inherent, is universal, at all times, eternally. The reference of this Gayatri Mahamantra is from Rigveda. Certainly, such great, universal, and eternally valid thought of Vedic philosophy will sustain and will enlighten the world anytime, anywhere. It has sustained over thousands of years and would sustain for many more thousands of years. Humanity will always need such solemn and sublime, blissful and energetic thoughts and prayers at all times. The way for life to be mantramayam. Shubhamastu.